Hello everyone, welcome back to my tutorial class. In today's class, I'll be showing you guys how to trade on trends. Trading on trends is a strategy that requires serious observation. But before I explain trends, let me take a trade briefly for your $100 going up. I bought Bitcoin for $100. Why? Because from that particular point forward, Bitcoin has been going up gradually through series of green candles forming. Then it fell briefly, rise briefly, and at this particular point now it wants to rise again. So trading on trend requires technical observation actually, but it does not require any technical analysis. How do you spot trend? We'll give you three basic principles you need to put in mind as a trader, because if you know how to spot trends, it makes you a more better and successful trader on the BINOTREX market. Now let's observe again. The next candle forming likely will be a red candle. So I'll be taking a trade for that because the first candle forming now is a red candle. I will wait for the timer to go below 10 seconds to give me a better view of the market, and I will trade it downward. Now let's explain trend. What is trend? Trend can be defined as a process whereby the price of an asset moves in a particular direction over a period of time, either briefly or for a very long time. That is either on a short term or on a long term. So when price moves in a specified or in a particular direction briefly or on a long term without any interference, we can call that a trend. So what can help you as a trader to become successful on the BINOTREX market when trading trends? These three things will greatly assist you. How to spot trends. Three things will assist you. 1. Ensure you are trading on a stable market. 2. Ensure that more candles of the same colors are formed more than twice or thrice in a row, going up or down within a brief period of time. 3. Wait for the timer to count down to 10 seconds and below before you place a trade to have a better insight of the next candle forming. Now let's take those analysis into place and let's see if this strategy, trading on trends, can assist us. Now this is a stable market. Green candles or red candles are forming very briefly. The current candle is a red candle. We've taken a trade going down initially, but let's put these three things into practice and then take the next trade. The first one, ensure it's a stable market. This is a stable market. The second one, ensure that candles forming, they formed more than once or thrice. They formed more than twice or thrice, I mean to say. Now we have more than 3 candles forming. 3, ensure the timer goes below 10 seconds before you place the trade. So it has gone below 10 seconds and the market is still likely, to go down or up, but the candle is going upward. That is why I said always wait for the timer to go below 10 seconds. Now we saw that the market fell down, then it was rising upward when the timer got below 10 seconds. So it gives me as a trader an insight that the market is likely to still want to go up very briefly. So let's wait if it will go up briefly. I took a trade for top and let's see if the trade will be successful. Now that is a win for us. Like I said, these three things should guide you when trading on trend. 1, ensure it's a stable market. 2, ensure more than 2-3 candles of the same color they formed. And lastly, which is very important, the timer gets below 10 seconds before you place a trade. So let's observe and see. The timer is now below 10 seconds, but the direction of the market has changed. So I won't go down again. I will go up and wait very patiently. I will go up even twice, knowing fully well that I will make enough profit from that kind of trade. Recall what I said. Always ensure that the timer goes below 10 seconds. It gives you an overview of what the next candle likely may be. So for the purpose of demonstration, I'll be taking one more last trade to teach you guys that trading on trends is actually a strategy if you are very observant on the BINOTREX market. It does not require you to be a professional. It requires you to be a good observer of the current market. Now let's wait for probably maybe red candles to form. If red candles start forming, okay, this is a red candle. Now this red candle, if it is a red candle till the timer gets below 10 seconds, I will take a trade for Dan. Okay, I think I just took a trade for Dan because, and let's wait for the result and let's see what will happen. Recall that not just one red candle will form, another red candle will form, and I think that is a success for us, guys. So thank you very much. See you in the next video.